Okay, so the first thing we take them off the metal too right here in the bottom side, and then the next step we take it out the door, and we put it in the hose, and then we check it out the damage in the bottom. If we had to cut it, change the bottom wood, maybe like a 6-inch. So we check it out right now. So the first thing we take it out the door. Next step.
Hello.
How are you?
Already, how are you?
Okay. Y sí, bueno. Levántala. Levántala, levántala.
Watch it, Jose.
Oh,
There you go.
all right.
Okay, Jose, so what are we doing now?
Right now, we take it out the other one metal. And then we take it out the damage right here.
And what are they going to do for while the door is out?
Okay, so when we take it out the door, we put the plastic. So we close inside with the plastic and tape. And then we leave it like closed, and then we make it one hole in the metal to the plastic to the people's coming in. And then when we fix it, the door like around like 2.5, 3 hours, we put it back, and then we continue to work with the door installed.
Right?
Yeah, the plastic is working to the little animals that
Okay.
go in and the dust.
Yeah, the bugs.
Yeah.
Yeah, check out this damage on the store.
Yeah,
So
this
it's
is
like
the tin
really
right
bad.
here. It's
So-
the screws is
So be careful with my sensor. Jose.
okay, so the next one is we take them off first.
Yeah, you're not going to do that now. You're just analyzing the door.
Yeah. Here is a problem. So this door have a big damage to the water. So that one we have to. You see that? You see the size? The size doors is a strong wood. Okay.
What is that? Is that redwood?
It's not redwood, but it's a strong wood. So that wood is better.
Okay.
So right here, we cut it. Yes, the metal side, like what 7-inch,
Yeah.
7-inch, and then we put the strong wood to connect it with that one.
So you're going to match the
Yes.
strong wood all the way.
All
to
the bottom. Probably we cut like around like a 10-inch,
Okay.
10-inch, and then we put a strong wood in the bottom side,
Uh-huh.
and then we put like a one piece of plywood, like 1/4 by both sizes.
Okay.
Okay, that's the stone, not the cheaper one. So going like a 10-inch. Okay, so we take him off the damage. The damage is like a 6-inch, but we're going to 10-inch, and then we cut it just the metal side, the metal part, because this is the damage. So the side wood is strong, and the side wood is it's good.
The middle part.
Yes, the metal part.
Okay.
Right there, we put a real wood, and then we put a
What type of wood? Redwood?
no, we use it like a poplar.
Oh, okay.
Poplar, yeah, poplar.
That's right. Daniel told me that.
Yeah, poplar. We use it the poplar, and then we fill it up this side, and then we put it like a 1/4-inch plywood of both sides to look like an even.
Say about
So-
the
Okay, the top part we don't have any problem. I don't think any door had a problem with the damage in the top. The top is really strong. All the doors have a problem only on the bottom side. Yeah, the top we're fine.
the kick plate.
The kick plates, and then we put the other one right here, and then we put a glue, caulking glue around.
You're gonna seal that.
Yeah, because we don't want to pass the same problem. They put the metal and it's fine. The metal is fine, but they don't put a silicone, and then the water is coming in, and then making the damage.
And the water won't come in if it's sealed.
Yeah,
During
and then,
the kick
and
plate.
then right here we put the metal key right here, and then we put the other one right here in the top, and then we seal.
So every door is going to have a kick plate.
Yeah, every door we have to put it.
And this bottom thing,
Yeah, to the
which is your weather sealing
and everything sealed because we don't want to pass the same problem.
people have questions about the frame.
Okay, let's go look.
Because
at
some doors do not have damage,
Okay,
but frames do have some
Okay.
damage. Hold on, let me get there.
Okay, so check it out the damage. No, ciérralo usted aquí, pues. Póngale tape. Solo punteado, okay. So the problem to the jams is this is like the pine. This is an old material, so it's better, but it's not too better. So we have to do the new jam, new mold, new stucco molding, and new inside molding, and then probably we use the new lac by everyone, right? So right here we have to take them off that one and put that one new one. So probably we make it the same one to that one, or we make it as something new one. So with the stop door in the middle, and then we figure it out in the process to.
And what
to
type of
find it.
wood? What type of wood would you be using instead of pine? Because pine.
We use it poplar.
Okay.
It's really strong. The termite is not
Right.
eat that wood,
Right.
or redwood.
Okay.
Redwood is better too because it support
The door.
the doors and
Because
the
it's a
time,
strong wood, right.
Yeah, and this too better for.
So originally they used pine on the original construction of the building.
all the new buildings they use a pine. They don't want to pay by that.
Okay.
So right here, so that one is not the gym right here is not too much problem. Just in the bottom side is like the problem with the water damage. So the rest is really strong, but we change anyway.
You're gonna change the whole thing.
Yeah, right here in this part have a little damage with the water.
Right.
And when we remove it, everything is not a problem. So we try to cover very well to stop the dust, and we make it a hole to the people need to coming up, or simple we leave it like that, close.
Cool. Great.
Okay.
Thank you,
that's all
Jose.
we're doing the first thing, and then the rest the door we're working in when we put it back.
Inside, you got to
Yeah.
paint the inside jams and all that.
We have to put a new molding, and then we do it like that. So we do it like that every time. So we put the plastic, and we leave open to the people's coming, and then when everybody's out, we put a tape to close again.
Right.
To stop the dust.
So people have to be at home during that
Oh yeah.
process.
Oh yeah. We don't have any problem. with that.
Right. And then by the end of the day, they'll have their door
And
back.
end of the day, we put it back the door, and then
And-
we continue the rest of the work and with the door.
Right, with the
Yeah.
door closed. Right,
Yes.
perfect. And how many doors can you do a day?
We try to fix it 2 a day.
Okay.
Just to fix the damage
And then put it back in, and
then we continue the rest to working
Perfect.
with the doors closed.
Great.
Okay.
All right. Well,
So this is the process we try to do. Thank you.
thank you. Thank you, guys.